How to add a link to your TikTok bio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TikTok app right here. And once we open our TikTok app, the next thing that we need to do is to click this profile icon that is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to click this three horizontal line right here on the top right corner of the screen, and then click Settings and Privacy. Once you click Settings and Privacy, you will be redirected right here. So what we're going to do is to click this account, and then click Switch to Business Account. Once you do that, just click Next, and then just choose your category right here, or you can just choose a random category that you want. So just click Next again. And then if you want to add your email address, you can also do that, but I will just skip. And then once you have now created or converted your account into a business account, what we're going to do is to click this edit right here. And then as you can see, we now have this links right here. What we're going to do is to just click add. And then if you want to add right here, if you want to add a website or your YouTube channel or your Facebook account, so just click add right here and then just paste your link. So let's say, for example, it is YouTube. So just do that and then click save. So that is basically it. That is how to add a link to your TikTok bio.